What's up, guys? Welcome to the Explorer University course. I'm super excited to share this course with you. It is a culmination of everything I know in photography. So all the way from the very start, all the way to the most advanced techniques. You could have never touched a camera in your life or be an advanced shooter, and there will be plenty for you to learn in this course. So from the very beginning, I'm going to start with the camera. So I'm going to go specifically over lenses, camera bodies, filters, tripods, drones, all of that stuff, so you can know everything there is to know and make a solid choice for picking out what type of camera and lenses you're going to use in your shooting. From there, we're going to move into location scouting. So I'm going to go over how to use Google Earth successfully, how to find hidden gems, and just generally how to scout an area, what types of lighting work in the best situations, and so on and so forth. From there, we're going to move into composition, where I'm going to go over basic composition techniques and then begin to get into more advanced composition techniques that aren't very mainstream and a lot of people don't know about, but can make your photos stand out way different than any other photographer out there. Finally, we're going to wrap this course up with specific scenarios that you might find yourself in when you're shooting. So for example, you might find yourself at a waterfall or in the desert, or you want to take an environmental selfie where you're standing off in the distance looking all dramatic. I'm going to have individual videos for all sorts of scenarios where I can give you a variety of tips and techniques you can use to maximize that situation to your advantage. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into the next video.